Hello friends, today welcome back to my channel, and today I have another unboxing of shoes this time, and it's Adidas. So let's see what I've got. Let's open them. So we came in this box, as you can see, and I've got them on Adidas.com. And here is the box, and the model is Adidas Falcon woman, and I've got it in 8 and 1.2, I mean 1.5, and it's called Adidas Falcon and crystal white, and it's made in Indonesia. So let's open it. Ta-da! I don't know. Let's see. Shoe number 1 looks like so. So it has this tag and it says Falcon Women's, and it's made from leather upper. Color of this is white, but this is more like little gray, light, like really light. So some people in the reviews were complaining that it's not fully white. Let's see how they look in front. So it looks like so. It has Adidas tag here and here and the back. Let's see how looks the sole. Sole looks like so. It's white and dark, and it has that torsion sign here. I don't know what that gives you. And here Adidas. They're kind of wide looking. And here is another one. So this one is little. We should put some paper inside when we ship it. As you can see, it came like this, little like here, squished. And let's see. So they are made from nice leather here, real one, which is nice. And this part, although is not made from leather inside, as you can see, this part is made from fake leather inside. So they got a little cheap inside, and this on tongue. But upper leather is real one, and they have soles, black ones inside, but they not stick together. I mean, this one yes, but this one is like not sticking. And I see that this part is actually painted. It's not like, see, it's not like different material, but it's painted. Here you can see unevenness. So it's a little cheap looking in my opinion. As you can see, it's little uneven, and here also we make here a spot. And here, so that's a little disappointing. And actually, I don't know if I like this color. online it was looking more orange, and here it looks like more like brownish. I don't know if I will keep them, because I thought this part will be from a real one, a real leather, not fake one. Here we have Adidas sign, and they have some kind of thing that's supposed to be like reminding of 80s. I don't know what they meant, like they want to make 80s or 90s come back with these shoes. So yeah, let's try them on. This is how they look on me. So this is how they look like. I don't know if I keep them or not. What do you guys think? Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like such videos, then give thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Bye.